Hi guys, welcome back to Mel's Kitchen. In today's video I am going to be using this juicy piece of beef and make something delicious. Beef doesn't always have to be boring or always have to use to make one kind of dish. Instead of just random stew beef that a lot of us used to, let's go ahead and spice this up a bit. We're going to be doing a stew beef taco. So yes, we're gonna stew the beef, but we're not gonna just eat it as stew beef. So are you ready? Because I'm ready to just dive in and tell you guys all about it. And don't worry about the measurements and the ingredients, just follow me along. All the ingredients will be in the description box. When you guys are finished watching the video, you can go ahead and check that out. Now I have this piece of beef here, which I go ahead and cut into medium-sized pieces, and then I go ahead and add some all-purpose seasoning to it, a little bit of salt and some browning, and I'm going to go ahead and mix that up all together, set aside to marinate, to make sure this marinate really well for a good taste. Now I'm going to go ahead and put it in my air fryer, put it on the beef menu, the red meat menu, just to make it fry a little bit on both sides to juice out a little bit of the fat that is in it, hence why I'm putting it in the air fryer. So just go ahead and throw everything right on into your air fryer. Don't be afraid to just throw everything right on in there, and after the air fryer warm, then you just put it in and let it fry. Make sure you monitor the time that you are putting it on the air fryer. Now I'm just pulling it out to turn them on the opposite side to make sure that it fries evenly. So just go ahead and turn over your meat, and as you guys can see, I am not cooking too much, so you can use this method whether you're cooking a lot or a little bit like myself. So just put it back in the air fryer, and you guys can see I'm just putting it on 10 minutes to make it finish frying. When that is all done, I take it out and transfer it to my pressure cooker, and this is where most of the magic is going to happen. Now I'm just going to put some water in the same pan that I had the beef in to make sure I use enough water to cover the beef. As long as the water covers the beef, you can go ahead and close your pressure cooker, put it on high heat and pressure for about 30 minutes. After you finish pressuring, you need to make sure your meat is falling apart just like this. No softer. This is the correct texture that you're going for. Then I'm going to transfer the beef to another pot, but first I cut up some assorted seasoning, sweet peppers, garlic, onions and thyme, which I'm going to put into the pot that I transfer the meat into. So what I'm going to do is let this go ahead and simmer with the little bit of liquid that remains. You see the little bit of water on it, you don't need any more than this. At this point you need to go ahead and taste the liquid to make sure that it's well flavorful. If not, don't be afraid to go ahead and add some more salt and seasoning to it. Now here I am just adding some cornstarch to make sure that I thicken the sauce, because what you want to do when you finish is ensure that this simmers down so much that you almost have no more liquid remaining in the pot. This is a good view of it, almost at where we want it to go. This liquid is still too much, so you just need to make it simmer some more, and I can already just smelling the flavor of all the sweet pepper and the onion and the garlic just coming out so well. Now at this point you are almost there. Just let it dry out a little bit more, then you can go ahead and turn it off. Now in the meantime, I go ahead and prepare some stuff for the taco shell. I have lettuce, avocado and carrot. Now in your taco you can add whatever else you want to add to it, but these are the ingredients that I'll be using for the taco shell. Here I have the shell, and I'm adding the lettuce at the base, and then I'm going to put the carrot right there along with the lettuce. Like I said, you can add whatever else you want to add into your taco shell, but I'm just tucking it up of veggies and make it really healthy and nice. And I'm just gonna go ahead and add all the meat on top of that. Doesn't it look so juicy? I am not going to add the liquid to it, but you can go ahead and add a little bit of the liquid if you have any more left in the pot, but it is just as delicious without the liquid, because the meat is so marinated into the liquid that you really don't need all the liquid, because the meat is so juicy and runny. And I'm going to add my avocados to the top just to top it off and make it even perfect. and one bite, the entire family will enjoy. The kids will enjoy this, the husband, the wife will enjoy it. Go ahead and try this and tell me how you like it. If you have an event for a nice chill evening, whatever it is, hopefully you guys enjoyed. If you do, give it a thumbs up, comment down below, let me know how you like it, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.